Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A23 smartphone. In this video you will learn different lock screen settings in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. First, go to the settings of your phone here and go to lock screen, and here several features are available. First option is screen lock type. Here just you can change pattern. Okay, if you go set current pattern, draw the current pattern, and then you can able to change pattern to another one, or you can use swipe or pin type pattern or password. And if you don't want to use any pattern, just click on none and no pattern will be used. So already available pattern will be removed. Click on remove, and yes, pattern is now removed. Okay, there is no pattern as of now for my phone. Okay, yes, if you want to set a pattern or pin, again you go to click on pattern or pin and draw another pattern and click on next. Again draw the same pattern to verify, click on confirm, and it will be set. Click on done, click on agree, and yes, pattern is now set. I go to settings again and go to lock screen, and here I can see different options like smart lock, secure lock settings. In smart lock means there are different settings. That is, if you have your phone in your hand, you don't need to put your pattern to unlock, and it will be actively unlocked when you have your phone in hand. Okay, there are different settings there, and secure lock settings means here different options are available. Just you can make pattern visible or invisible, auto lock, lock instantly with the side key, factory auto factory reset, etc. Okay, and here wallpaper services. So here you can set a wallpaper for lock screen, and making them to change automatically. Clock style, here you can change clock style on lock screen. Okay, so different options are available. You can many things here customize, roaming clock, widgets, contact information, notifications, shortcuts, etc. So by looking into the lock screen, you can customize several things here. These are all the lock screen settings of your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.